What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are back and we are riding our bikes because I need the exercise. I'm way too fat, as you can see. I'm not being safe. Can't go real fast because I'm only using one hand, unless I do this. My friend's down there, he's walking. What a loser. Where is he? Where'd he go? He was literally just walking. I think that's him right there. Honestly, I don't know why I'm making this video. Oh, there he is. What? What? Because he's fat, ugly, and nobody likes him.
And get up there, and you can film all you want.
Well, I'm going to film down there. That sounded weird. Oh yeah, have y'all heard? So, I'm a Logan Pauler, not a Jake Pauler. So, sorry if I offend all the Jake Paulers out there. But, Logan Pauler, I just got a video notification about Kong running away, which is Logan's dog. Of course, you would know that if you weren't a Jake Pauler. You don't know, I don't really watch Jake Paul's videos, so I don't really know. Car coming. But yeah, I feel bad for Logan. If he was one day gonna watch this, hopefully you find him. And if he found him when he watches this, well, nice job. Who else watches YouTubers? Like, who else became a YouTuber just because they think it'd be cool? Jump off a cliff.
Motherfucker, I'll take your goddamn.
I'm beating you. Loser. Let's run him over. What a great idea. Is he in the grass? No, he's on that rock. Yeah, I'm gonna hit you, Richard.
Hit him in the fucking nuts.
I didn't hit. Don't start, Richard. Don't start crying.
Richard,
like,
get him. Richard, do something.
You really want to fight me? Hold up, let me move my bike to a better position.
No, not today.
What are you doing? It's not how you do it.
I'm trying to do some crazy ass shit.
Trying to do some Smurf.
No, I'm trying to kiss my ass. I have to bend over like this.
Ew.
Hump the pole. Now, how do you do it?
Oh.
I want to climb this fucking tree. Look at shit. Hey, hang on to it. Got it. Let go.
What if you went launching through the air? What are you doing? That's not climbing a tree. That's grabbing hold of a branch. Kinda can't. Richard, go help Junior. Ah, no, going the wrong way. Honestly, I think throughout my YouTube career, if that even is a career, I think it is a career because a lot of YouTubers get paid for this crap. But I think throughout, I'm just going to make pointless videos that people are just going to watch for no reason when they're bored. I'm predicting that in the future. But anyway, guys, that's the end of this episode, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Wear helmets.